Good morning all. Today's topic is to demonstrate amplitude shift keying, modulator and demodulator. As we know that in the PCM, the data is in the form of strings of ones and zeros. To transmit such a data through space using antenna, certain kind of modulation technique is used. One such modulation technique that we are going to study today is called as the amplitude shift keying or on-off keying. So this is your ASK modulation transmitter circuit. As you can see, this is an 8 variable data generator which consists of 8 switches. Data is fed inside your ASK transmitter circuit. And a clock is given for the synchronization purpose. This data is converted into the NRZ low because NRZ low is needed for ASK modulation. Now, the carrier used here is of the frequency 1.44 megahertz. This carrier is fed inside the carrier modulation circuit, and from here the NRZ low waveform is connected to the carrier modulation circuit and the modulation is done. Now from the output now the output is taken and it can be seen through the digital oscilloscope. Now, as you can see from the digital oscilloscope, this is your NRZ low waveforms. When the input is high, which is at logic 1, your carrier signal will be on. When the input is at logic 0, the carrier will be off. When input is at logic 1, the carrier will be on again. When input is at the logic 0, the carrier remains off, and so on. Hence, this type of modulation is also known as the on-off keying. Now, we can see here the demodulation circuit of your ASK. Here, the output of the ASK waveform is given to the ASK modulator input. This output from the ASK modulator is further passed into the low pass filter and the output is taken again. The function of the low pass filter is to remove unwanted frequency components. Now, this is passed through the data squaring circuit and we will retrieve our NRZ waveform again, and hence the function of demodulation is done. Let us see the output of the demodulator on the digital oscilloscope. This is your ASK modulated waveform. Now, the demodulator circuit Now, we can see from the digital oscilloscope, this is your ASK modulated waveform, and from the demodulator output, it can be seen that we can retrieve our NRZ waveform. Digital oscilloscope, you can see the demodulated output of your ASK waveform. This is your modulated ASK waveform and this is your demodulated output, which is the NRZ data.